What is going on, guys? Right now I'm actually at work on my lunch break. Excuse me, we have a long break, so I figured I'm gonna do something, as you can tell by the title, third brake light. But first I want to talk about all of you that aren't subscribed that watch these videos. I was looking at analytics and 70% of the people that watch videos are not subscribed. So if you enjoy, if you want to support us, be sure to subscribe. We'd appreciate it very much. So yeah, but yeah, I'm about to put in a third brake light. I'll explain a little bit more once we get into it. Alright guys, so yeah, I changed my mind about doing it on my lunch break because it started to rain a little bit, and as you can see, it's still kind of nasty out. But right now I'm on my way home, and it's supposed to clear up in like an hour or two or something like that. So I'm gonna wait until the end to do it. So I guess I'll see y'all then. Alright guys, so this is what I'm using for the third brake light. I just went on eBay and found LED strip is about, I think this is like 48 inches or something like that. I'm not sure, but I thought it was just coming with one, but it came with two, so I have an extra one laying around. But yeah, this is the extra one actually. I already spliced the wires or extended them, and it's outside my car right now. But yeah, just want to show you what I was using. It's pretty bright. You'll see that later once I get it connected up to the brake light. But yep. Alright guys, so I already cut out my other third brake light and spliced the wires together. So now I just have to throw it up there. I got some double-sided tape because this is eBay and it's junk. It's not really that sticky. So I'm gonna throw some double-sided tape up there, then throw that on there. Then kind of cut it down to size. So yeah, I'm about to do that, and then I'll get back to you guys after that. Alright, so I got the double-sided tape up there all the way down. Now I'm about to peel it off and stick this to it, and hopefully it stays up there pretty good. Alright, it's up there. It's looking pretty good. Now I'm about to, got some wire conduit, so I'm gonna run it down with this wire so I can make it look all nice. I spliced all these wires and soldered and heat wrapped them, so it's looking pretty good. I like doing wire and stuff like that. It's pretty fun. So it fell off a little bit, but yeah, I'm about to get all the conduit on there and stuff, and then I'll show you guys how it looks after that. Alright guys, it's super hot. I don't know if you can see me sweating or not, but I got it on there. It looks semi-professional after I cut this off with the razor blade or something. But yeah, it looks good. Later tonight I'll come back out here and push the brake in and show you guys so you know how it looks. I've seen it on another car. Like I said, it looks pretty dope and I'm excited. Hopefully I got it down low enough so you can see, and hopefully the DMP banner doesn't get in the way. But yeah, I'll see you guys later tonight. See how it looks, and yeah. Alright guys, so let me get this set up so you can see it. Push. Oh, it lights up. Oh. It lights up the back of the car pretty good. But there you go. Looks pretty good. Oh, I got a brake light out. Rip. I'll get that fixed though. Yeah, that looks cool as shit. So I got that brake light fixed and it'll look better. But yeah, I'm happy how it turned out. It's pretty dope. Wish you could kind of see the DMP banner, but it doesn't light up that much. So yeah.